Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Students of class 2nd, how are you all dears? I hope so all are fit and fine. So students, now as well as we have completed the chapter 1st in English course book, and now chapter 2nd explanation was going on yesterday. But students, as you all know, you all are having 3 books of English. So first you have English course book, as well as we were reading that one, and second is your English grammar, and one more you have your practice book, which you have to do and practice at home. So students, see, today is Saturday, means Friday and Saturday from next week. Friday and Saturday we will take what? English grammar. Okay, we will take for English grammar. Students, so today is Saturday. Now you all will just take out your English grammar book. English grammar book. Today we will study about English grammar book. Students, so open it fast. सब लोग अपनी grammar की book open कर लीजिए आज. And you can see I am also here with the grammar book. And the page number which we have to start, that is the page number 5. That is the page number 5. Means your chapter has been started from this page. Students, have you opened your book? सब लोगों ने अपनी book open की है? Okay, that's nice. So first of all we will move to the first chapter, and it is about your this sentence. It is about your this sentence. Means in this chapter we are gonna to read and learn about this definition about sentence, or define about sentence. Let's start to see. First of all, we are having some pictures, and here pictures also. Look at these groups of words. Look at these groups of words. Means just below to these there are given some words, groups of words. What are these? Let's come to see. Hen lays eggs a. Means words you have. Hen lays eggs a. Means are A. Students, so can you tell me, is it making a sense, complete sense? क्या ये जो word है या आपकी ये जो सेंटेंस है वो एक कंप्लीट सेंस बना रही है? इसकी कुछ मीनिंग्स आ रही है? hen lays eggs a. No, that's wrong. Words are there, but these are not in sequence. These are not in order. That's why it's a wrong sentence. Students, you know na, first of all we use subject, and after that if you are having your helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, okay, has, have, and after that we take main verb, and then we take or we use our object. So firstly, yes, so now let's come to make a complete sentence, a meaningful sentence of these words. We'll start. A hen lays eggs. What is the complete sense? What will be the complete sense or complete sentence? A hen lays eggs. The right and complete meaningful sentence will be a hen lays eggs. Okay? Like you can see this picture. Next you have leaves horse in a stable A. Leaves horse in a stable A. Again it's not correct sentence. It's also having. Okay students, so what will be the correct sentence, a meaningful sentence? Will start. A horse lives in a stable. A horse is stand on the subject. Lives is a main verb here, okay, and where? That is in stable. Object is your stable there. In is your preposition. So now these are the correct and meaningful and complete sense of this sentence. Start. Do the first and the third group of words make any sense? Now again these questions are asking. Do the first means first one, and the third groups means ये सारे words है ना, इनको क्या कहा गया? Groups कहा गया है. ठीक है, इन सारे words के group को. Make any sense? क्या ये first sentence के groups और third sentence की जो group है, क्या इसकी कोई सेंस आ रही है? इसकी कोई मीनिंग बन रही है? नो, नो, दे डू नॉट. नो, दे आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस, ठीक है. देन do the second and the fourth group of words make sentence. And now let's come to see the complete and the right sentence sequence. Second and fourth, yes, these both are making sense. So answer will be yes, they make complete sense. Yes, 4 number and second number are making complete sense. So इसलिए they are sentences. That's why ये क्या है, sentence है. क्या है ये, sentence है. Clear है? Means if the sentence or if the group of words will not make any type of sense, that means that's your wrong sentence, that is not in order. Clear? And if the group of words will be in their correct order, in their correct sequence, then they will call a complete sentence. Clear hai? Yes, we have a short definition here. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words. ये जो sentence है ये क्या है, ये words का group है. Okay, that makes, okay students, yes, group of words that make complete sense. And what are the important things for having a complete sentence or for meaningful sentence? A sentence always begins with a capital letter. एक जो sentence होता है वो हमेशा capital letter से start होता है, ठीक है. Whenever we write any sentence, so the first letter of that word or that sentence will be in your capital letter. Okay. Second thing, a simple sentence ends with a full stop. If you are having a simple sentence, there's not asking about any question type or exclamation, okay, then you will just put full stop at the end of sentence, ठीक है. आप sentence के end में, last में full stop put up करेंगे. Okay, if you are having a simple sentence, assertive sentence, even in negative also. Next है, if a sentence ask a question, if any sentence will ask a question, means interrogative type questions, means क्वेश्चन टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस, जिसमें क्वेश्चंस पूछा जाता है, ठीक है ना, इसमें कुछ आस्किंग की जाती है. वी पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो व्हाट डू वी डू एट लास्ट, एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस? यस, वी पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. हम क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन के लास्ट में, एट लास्ट हम वहाँ पे एक ऐसे क्वेश्चन मार्क पुट अप करते हैं. क्लियर? इन प्लेस ऑफ अ फुल स्टॉप एट द एंड, मीन्स रिप्लेस ऑफ फुल स्टॉप वी पुट देयर क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ द इंट्रोगेटिव और क्वेश्चन टाइप sentence. Clear? Okay students, so after this, now on the basis of this explanation we will move to the exercise. So today I'll just tell you to do the exercise at home. So you all have to do practice. See there, put a tick in the box if it is a sentence or cross if it is not. Means they are given the groups of words. If these groups are words are not a sentence or they are not having a complete sense, then you will cross there, and if they are having a complete sense then you may tick there. ठीक है, चलिए तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. Yes students, see there, first you have pile of books, the and a. Yes, what is it? It's wrong, it's not making any type of sense, so just cross it. ठीक है, these are not in sequence, not in order, so यहाँ पे हम क्रॉस कर लेंगे. On the table, what is on the table? Are you having any subject? कोई subject है यहाँ पे? No, means we need subject and then verb there should be also and then object added. Okay, means it is also wrong. And then you have a pile of books is on the table. Yes, now this sentence is making a complete and meaningful sentence. A pile of books जो है वो टेबल पर है, मीन्स ये आपका कंप्लीट सेंटेंस, मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस, इसको टिक कर लेंगे. हैज़ what is it? Has Sinchin. What is has Sinchin? Are you getting any information or any meaning? No, that means it's cross. Toys and marbles. What is toys and marbles? What is toys and marbles? There is no any subject or verb, so it will be also crossed. Sinchin has toys and marbles. Yes, now it's right sentence, means सिंचिन जो है उसके पास टॉयज एंड मार्बल्स हैं, तो ये जो सेंटेंस है वो राइट होगा. ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सिंचिन हैज़ टॉयज एंड मार्बल्स. इट्स योर कंप्लीट सेंटेंस एंड राइट सेंटेंस. ठीक देयर. clean I room D. It is wrong. Okay, there is no any sequence or meaning of this. I clean the room. Yes, it is the complete sentence. I clean the room. मैं अपने रूम को क्लीन करता हूँ, ये आपका राइट होगा. ठीक है, तो इसको आप लोग कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. ओके, एंड यू विल शेयर योर वर्क विद मी इन क्लास ग्रुप. क्लियर? ओके, डू इट फास्ट ट्विंस. Do it in English grammar book. Okay. Now thank you. Have a good day.